Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to change the brake pad on a Mercedes C220. Make sure you have to park the car somewhere safe and lose the bolts first. So I'm losing all the bolts. Now all the bolts loose. I'm gonna jack it up, but you have to make sure it is somewhere safe so it doesn't damage the body. Now you can see it's already jacked up and you have enough space to work, so it's loosened from the floor. It's not going to touch the floor, so I'm going to take all the bolts off. Now the tire is loose. Take it off. It's better just keep under the car in case it jacks into anything, so car doesn't fall on the floor. When you took the tire off, it's better turn the car steering to the right, so you're easy to work on it. So I'm going to use this 12 socket to lose the caliper. Mostly you just need to lose only one bolt, the bottom one, and you can lift the caliper off. Now you can see I tried to lose the bolt, but inside there's another nut is moving, so use this 17 spanner. Just hold from inside and open it. So I took the bolt off. You can see, just lift the caliper. It's very easy. Oops. Open the bottom bolt, and I thought it's like easy to lift up, but you can see there's a brake pipe. It's not long enough, so I need to lose the top one as well to remove the caliper properly. So I'll lose both of them. Now I'm going to take the caliper off. You can see it's completely off. Just need to take them brake pads off now. By using the screwdriver to just take them out. One out. Two out. Before you put the new brake pads on, just clean them. They have like some dust and scrap inside. See, I've got them new brake pads, so before you put them on, I'm gonna put some grease in here. It's better to use copper grease. And just slides in. One is in. The brake pads in, you need to wind this piston back. So wind the piston back, you have to use this remover. just put one old brake part there, and this here, just turn to the clockwise. So you can see is the piston going back, so make sure it has to be all the way back. You can see it's sitting flush. Now I'm just going to put it back on. Same procedure, going to put them bolts on and tie them up. You can see it's completed now. I'm just going to put the tire back on and his job is done. So put the tire back on and hope it helps you. Thanks for watching the video.